What is going on, my YouTube friends? Yeah, we're back on the garage today. Yeah, buddy. So we've been working on the lines for the master cylinder. I do have the lines built up. I do have the back line hooked up, and this is the other line for the front of the master cylinder. So you see, I had to flare this. This is only a single flare to use this in this bolt right here. And then we'll put those on the banjo bolts for the master cylinder. So let's get over here and take a look and see what we got going on. All right, so as you see, I already got this one right here bent, and it's already hooked up to the proportion valve. So I'll go on the other side when I get these done and show you exactly what I got done. So let me get this other line hooked up, and then I'll bring you right back. I'm talking about this line, baby. Oh, yeah. Be right back. Alrighty, so you got the brake lines all hooked up to the master cylinder, and then I got them run down over here. Let's take a look at next over here and see if we can see it better. It's a beautiful sunny day in the neighborhood. So yeah, there's where we got the lines. Got it hooked to the proportion valve. And we got them both hooked to the master cylinder. So like I said before, I don't know if I'm gonna do line lock on this car or not. We'll see. You know, I mean, if I take it down the strip a lot more, drag strip a lot more, or something like that, then more likely I will put line lock on it. But for now, I'm just wanting to get it going. So we're gonna get in here and get her done, baby. So now basically all we gotta do is go around, make sure everything's tightened up and seated. I still gotta bleed the master cylinder. I haven't bled that yet. And then we'll bleed the brake system and see what happens. Hopefully nothing leaks. And if it does, I'll just have to fix what leaks, right? Yeah, buddy. So that's where we're going. Oh, wait a minute. I still gotta hook this up too right here. See that? Yeah. But that's not gonna be an issue. Oops, I'm sorry. This right here. But that shouldn't be an issue. All right, let me turn this around. Well, I have to say, we are 87.5% done with the brakes. Would you think? I mean, as far as bleeding them and going over and make sure there's no leaks or nothing like that. I mean, that's really about it. And hook up the cab line. That's pretty much about it. And I'm going to go into the car, tighten everything up, make sure everything's tight, make sure everything's in place, make sure nothing's rubbing, make sure nothing's kinked, you know, all that good stuff. Oh, yeah, buddy. So, guys, I appreciate y'all. Man, you guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. You have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. And I really appreciate you watching my videos.